Oke. Aduh, aduh. Kok gini? Get up. Lari aja, lari. Oke. The darkness. Kamu bikin saya berdek aja, goblok. Yoho, balik lagi di channel saya. Ya, kali ini kita bakal mainin game Hellblade: Senua's Sacrifice. Gila. Ini dari baru mau mulai gamenya aja udah keren banget sob. Gak sabar mainin. Oke, coba option dulu. Kontrol. F shift run. Oke. F tag interact space left. Nggak tahu, langsung coba aja ya sob. Oke. Langsung aja kita jos sob. Keren sob ini sob. Nggak sabar. Moga nggak malu-maluin ya mainnya ya. Loading. Aduh. Krik 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 krik. Oke. Kita di mana? Ya. Kita di laut.
Hello.
Ya, halo.
Who are you?
Aku.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Welcome. You're safe with me. I'll be right here, nice and close, so I can speak without alerting the others.
Sorry sob, ini saya lagi dengerin ini conversationnya.
Her story has already come to an end, but now
Wow.
it begins anew.
Ini dia bawa apa? Kepala bukan?
What's happening? It's breathing. Dead. It's breathing. It's breathing. He knows she's getting closer. He can feel her coming closer. She's getting closer. They're watching. They're watching.
This is a journey deep into darkness.
Ini karakternya kayak bicara sama roh halus gitu sob.
No more stories after this one.
Ini jangan bilang ini game horror lagi.
She's doing this. They're watching. Why doesn't she know coming? She's doing this for him. She wants to rescue him. He's already done. Feel you coming. Quiet.
Oke, saya diem.
Oh, how rude of me. I never told you of the others.
Keren banget sob grafisnya.
Too, right? They've been around ever since the tragedy.
Oke.
That's not quite true. Some are old, some are new, but they've
Wow.
changed. I think the darkness changed them, just like it changed her.
Can you see them?
Wah, soundnya juga keren banget sob. Ini di kanan kiri kanan kiri.
Look, up ahead.
Ada orang mati di kantong sob.
You promised you could.
Yes, it is real after all. She's finally arrived in the land of mist
Banyak
and
orang
fog,
mati sob.
the place the Northmen call hell.
Oke.
Turn back. Go back. Go back. It's not safe.
It's not safe.
Go back. Go back.
Ini
It's not safe.
kita disuruh balik, katanya ini nggak aman. Kamu kenapa keras kepala kok? Maju aja sob. Jangan maju aja. Wih,
Look around and
Lihat ini sob. Ini orang mati.
Slain,
Wih, ini bisa digerak-gerakin ternyata.
rotting in the fields and rivers of hell.
Oke,
But the dead don't always lie still here.
banyak orang mati sob.
This is not a place of rest.
Oh, kita disuruh kembali ini.
They're going to do that to you. Can you see them? Can you see them? They're going
Iya,
to do
saya
that to
lihat.
you.
Oke, terus masalah. Terus,
They're watching.
iya, siapa yang lihat?
Can you feel them watching?
Mm-mm.
They're watching her.
Ini tubuhnya kayak gemetar sob.
Watching her.
Oke,
You're so close to the darkness. Go back. Can you feel
katanya kita menuju kegelapan sob. Kita suruh balik. Oke.
What is she thinking? I can tell you.
Oh,
She's afraid. Wouldn't you be?
ya terus kita ini kapan mulainya
I
sob?
think she would get used to it by now after so many years. But the darkness,
Mhm.
it just builds onto itself, growing stronger, towering over her. You might try and ignore it, turn away,
Turn away.
but it's always there, just out of sight, where you're most vulnerable.
Wih, gila.
It's like it knows
Banyak orang
that
digantung sob.
just
Coba
enough
lihat di atas.
light
Di atas sob.
is all you need to see its suffocating power.
Ini mengerikan sekali ini. Ini perang atau apa ya? Atau aliran sesat gitu atau gimana?
They can feel you.
Jangan ada jump scare ya.
You might think she's brave to go on this journey on
Ini
her own,
liatnya mau main game yang nggak ada
but it isn't
horornya.
bravery that drives her. Bravery only means something to those afraid of death. Then it was fear, runs far, far deeper.
Oke. So, ya kita sudah sampai. Yes. Oke. Let's game begin. Oke. Buruan apa? Oke.
What is she looking at?
Siapa yang lihat?
What is she leaving behind?
Hah? Di belakang kita. Ada apa?
I know what she's thinking.
Hah?
I hear her thoughts.
Iya.
It's not too late to get into the boat and go back.
Oh, kita disuruh kembali.
No
Katanya
one
belum
judge
terlambat untuk kembali, sob.
No one will ever know. Oh, she heard us. There's no going back.
Iya, enggak balik. Oke. Kita enggak balik. Kita main game.
Senua pushes away a world that conspired to cause so much suffering.
Ah!
There's nothing to go back to, and worse to look forward to. Why don't you join us? Maybe you too have a part to play in this story.
Oke. Yes, ini kita mulai. Oke. Wih, seksi sob jalannya sob. Ih, keren. Ya,
Look really clearly. Focus, Senua.
Fokus.
Focus, and you'll
Apa ini?
see. What happens if you focus?
ya ini diapain? F, kontrol kah? Oke.
Do not forget my stories, Senua. Because your darkness comes from hell, and your fate lies there. They say the burning of a corpse will take you straight to Hela's gate. But gods and the living will follow this path. You must leave the Isles of Orkney across the eastern sea
Okay.
and find a road that leads north and down through deep, dark valleys. After 9 nights of riding, you will follow a great river and will find a bridge covered in gold. The path to Helheim goes from there, across the river of knives
Oke.
that flows
Ah,
from the
nggak
dark
tahu.
world of Niflheim.
Peduli setan. Oke. Kita kemana? Oke, ini apa? Oke. Kita ke sini. Oke. Go back. Kok gini? Oke. Aduh. Kok gini? Get up. Lari aja. Oke.
Darkness is coming.
The darkness. Kamu bikin saya berdek aja, goblok.
Hungers for it. Like
Run.
on a hunt. But she's not stopping.
Ini suara-suara ini ganggu banget sih. Wih, apa itu? Oke, tahan. Jangan takut, ini cuma game. Oke. Nah, apa sih? Oke. I'm not afraid. Daunnya sob, gila. Bagus banget grafisnya. Oke. Ya, apa itu? Itu bangunan kayak naga. Kayak naga apa dinosaurus ya?
The old fool was right.
Oke.
What was it he said? The river of knives across which lies the halls of hell. The place they call Helheim.
Ya, dia pegang kepalanya. Oh, ini bukan kepala. Ini kelapa kah? Iya, itu mungkin kelapa. Rumah kelapa. Ih, ini tengkorak. Oke. Ini game horror juga ternyata ya. Oke.
There's no doubt about it. The source of the darkness is in Helheim. And the goddess Hela holds his soul there.
Oke, I'm coming.
Her dear beloved,
Oke.
Dillian.
Kita kemana? Oke. Kita gas ke sana, sob. Oh, ini pantai, sob. Wih, keren.
Why doesn't she turn back?
Keren. Oh. Saya penasaran. Saya mau ke sana. Mau coba.
Her soul is still.
Sini ada apa?
She needs to save her soul. She wants her soul to be at peace. She needs to let him taste. He's already dead. She can save him. There's nothing she can do. She thinks she's going to save him.
Berisik.
She'll never make it. She can't let him.
Kita balik aja, sob. Loh, ini baliknya kemana ya? Oh, sana. Oke. Ini keren banget, sumpah.
The bridge to Helheim.
Oke.
I forget its name. She forgets too.
Kita jadi Titanic, sob.
But she
Ini nggak
does
bisa
remember
loncat.
when they did dead. They cross it. That part wasn't so easy to forget. The old fool said there was a hidden path up to it.
Fokus.
Let's see, shall we?
Oke. Kenapa ini? Aduh. Kita kemana, sob? Apakah ini ada jalan? Oh, ditutup sob. Kita harus lewat sana kayaknya. Oke. Kita lewat sini sob. Nah, ada batu nisan sob.
The Northmen speak of 9 worlds. The world of men they call Midgard. Sky gods dwell in Asgard. The gods of earth, harvest, wind, and sea dwell in Vanaheim. The good elves dwell in Alfheim. The evil ones dwell in Svartalfheim. The mountain giants dwell in Jotunheim. The fire giants dwell in Muspelheim. Niflheim is the world of ice and darkness.
Oke.
Only the dead dwell in
Ada
Helheim.
guard, ada penjaga.
That
Berarti
is where you must travel.
oke. Berarti di sini ada penjaganya. Oke. Menjaga. Oke. Kita lihat mana. Oh, klaim. Oke. Klaim gimana cara naik klaim? Oh, oke, F. Lockdown, that's it. That's the way. That's the way you are. Oke. Lewat sana kah? Kita disuruh ke sana. Oke. Oh iya, kita lihat sini. Oke.
Are you scared?
Enggak takut.
Should be scared. You don't know where you're going.
Aku tahu aku harus kemana. Berisik.
You know where you are? Where are we?
Di hutan.
Just drop down.
Oke.
What's down there?
Kelamaan. Turun aja.
You've got to go.
Oke.
Why did she do that? She shouldn't have done it. She can't go back now.
No, this
Ini
is it.
suara-suaranya ini
The
kayak
hidden path.
apa ya? Kepribadian ganda gitu mungkin. Suara hati. Iya, suara hati. Oke, apa itu? Apakah nggak apa-apa kalau disentuh? Oke. Oke. Ini nggak bisa digerakin.
Don't kill me.
Don't kill me.
I'm not one of them. Don't listen. I was just hiding. I find I live longer that way. Don't listen. Let the bastards catch me again. Never! Wait. Who are you?
Loh, kamu siapa?
Druth? Is that you?
From my tales of the Northmen, they call me Druth,
Chris,
liar,
liar.
an old fool. Druth is my truth.
Itu
It's good to see you again.
oke.
You kept your vow.
Guide you in this life and the next. I will tell you my stories of hell.
Sorry ya sob, ini kayaknya saya nggak begitu banyak bicara. Soalnya ini
Tell me your stories again, Aldred. I'm listening.
ngikutin jalan ceritanya.
The runes seal the gates to hell.
Oke.
Focus your inner eye,
Fokus inner eye.
and you too will see what's hidden in plain sight.
Oke. Ya, fokus. Ya, fokus.
I can see one.
Hold it in your mind's eye. Find one
Oke.
like it to open the gate.
Oh, kita disuruh nyari sesuatu yang mirip kayak ini. Oke. Nyari di mana ya? Oh, banyak M di sini. Oh, ini.
Look towards the gate. And the gate will open.
Oke. Gila, ini ternyata game puzzle juga sob. Oke, kita udah nemukan M-nya. Ternyata huruf M-nya seperti yang ini. Ya ini bayangan M nih. Oke, terus kita kemana? Oke, apakah ini udah bisa dibuka?
The gate is open. Go through the gate. Go through it. It's dangerous. Follow it.
Oke.
What's behind it? It worked.
Oh. Oke.
I spent 6 years enslaved in hell. But I watched the Northmen. Learnt their ways.
I know you did.
You listened when everyone else laughed.
Oke. Ini
My
kita kemana?
people paid a heavy price. Carry my stories with you, and together we will make the Northmen feel our fury.
Oke.
Another voice joins us.
Wih,
She was trying to make them go
gila.
away.
Lihat airnya sob.
They weren't real.
Wih, keren banget sob.
When we are always here.
Jangan jatuh mati kamu. Oke. Oke. Kita naik. Kayaknya kita harus ke mana ya? Tempat yang itu perahu kayak apa? Kayak naga itu yang tadi saya bilang awal-awal.
I guess it's the same with heights.
Oke.
You can stand on the edge,
Oke.
pretend it's going to be
Hati-hati, bro.
okay.
Wow.
But you know that death is
Ini
near,
bahaya ini.
waiting for you to make that.
Oke. Ya elah goblok. Oke, kita ulang. Oke.
Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Don't full. Oke. Oh fuck. Apakah ada jalan lain? Oke. Ada tali. Oke. Kayaknya nggak ada jalan lain. Gimana kalau kita lari? Oh, nggak bisa lari sob. Oke. Hehehehe. Oke. You did it, baby. You did it, baby. You did it, baby. Oh, shit, baby. Oke. Oke.
The world of the dead is
Ini
ruled,
apa
the
sih?
world of the dead is
Ini
ruled
kayaknya
by the
checkpoint.
giantess Hela, daughter of Loki. The gods feared her bloodline, bad on her mother's side and yet much worse on her father's. So, as a child, the All-Father cast her down into Helheim and gave her power over those who die of sickness, age, hardship, and self-slaughter. In all of the 9 worlds, only Hela can resurrect the dead. To Hela, your Dillion was sacrificed, and with her you must bargain.
Oke. Oke. Kita kita apakan ini? Apakah ada jalan lain? Oh iya, ada. Kita turun ternyata. Oke. lagi. Oke. Akhirnya. Oke.
Stay back.
Look at it.
You have to open.
Stay back.
The gate to Helheim divides the living from the dead.
Oke, kita disuruh balik sob.
Is that the face of Hela herself?
Hela. Oh, kayak Hela ini apa? Gambar pintunya. Oke.
Whatever horrors lie behind that door, she must find him. Shh. Someone's here.
Oke, siapa? Siapa yang di sini? Oke. Apa itu? Sempak kaget.
You took him from me.
Enggak, aku nggak ngambil dia dari kamu.
Thank you. Let him go. I'll give you what you want. I won't resist anymore. Just give him back.
Give him back gundulmu. Ini siapa sih? Ini kenapa? Loh. Oke. Oh, ini kita ngapain? Loh. Waduh. Oh, es. Waduh. Mampus. Woi. Oke. Mampus lo. Mampus. Oke. Run, baby. Oke. Oke. Woi, sialan. Aduh. Oke. Kita ngindar sob. Oh. Wah, nggak bisa dipukul sob. Oke. Oke. Kampret bokong. Sepak. Ya, masa di sini cuma sampai segini sob mati. Oke. Oh, maafkan saya. Aduh, ya. Ih, serem. Ya, itu arwahnya kah?
A vision of what's to come. Poor Senua.
Ya.
The darkness does not bargain, does not reason. It is rocked, and now it has taken hold. It will spread towards her head, the seat of the soul, until there is nothing left of her.
Ya jangan digaruk. Aduh.
All of her suffering will have been for nothing. It's just a matter of time.
Terus oke, kita nggak boleh mati, sob. Kalau mati kita
The hardest battles are fought in the mind. That is
kita
what
hidup lagi.
Dillian taught her.
Oke.
With every defeat, the
Kepala
dark
ini
rot
bikin
will grow
punya
and
kekuatan
soon
gitu
will
dah.
take her soul.
Aduh, parah bahasa Inggris. Oke,
For now, at least,
let's go
she
back,
still has
baby.
control of her mind. And she will fulfill her vow, whatever the cost.
He's not breathing.
Listen to me, Senua.
Oke.
The goddess Hela lies behind the gate to Helheim. To open the gate, you must first face the gods that guard it. The god of fire, Surt, and the god of illusion, Valravn. Spill their blood to open the gate to Helheim and enter the land of the dead.
Oke. Jadi kita biar bisa masuk sini harus mengalahkan guard-guardnya. Oke.
She needs to challenge the
Berarti
gods.
kita harus mengalahkan guard ini. Dua dulu ya. Oke.
Valravn, ancestor of the seers and master of ravens. He hunts his prey with his powers of illusion and feasts on their remains.
Oke.
Follow the path to Valravn and defeat him in battle to earn his mark. The gate to Helheim cannot be opened without it.
Oke, kita ke sana dulu. Kita harus kalahkan dulu penjaga-penjaganya ini, sob. Bunuh. Oke. Kok berasa sih? Goblok. Oke. Mana kita? Ini kah? Oke. Push.
Illusion hides the path to Valravn. Don't trust your eyes. Find another way to see the truth.
Itu katanya ilusi. Kita harus cari jalan lain. Oke. Kenapa kok jadi gini?
It's a door. Push it. Push it. Push it. Come on. Come on. Push it. She did it.
Oke. Terus kita. Oke, ini kayak sesuatu yang kita lewat bawah aja. Oke.
It's funny. We all want to see behind the veil, don't we? Once we do,
Kita kemana?
we mostly just close our eyes again and pretend what we saw was never really there.
Apakah kita harus ke bawah lagi? Kita coba. Oke. Ini bukannya yang tadi ya? Tambah belakrak ini.
If anyone ever could close
Gak tahu jalan pulang ini nanti.
however hard she tried, begged.
Oke. Apa ini? Kok gitu? Kita buka aja.
This is the price she pays.
No,
for
no,
something
I'm
so
not
big.
scared.
Because once you gaze into the relentless darkness, all that lurks within it.
Lihat
See
ini
you
mayat
too.
segini banyak. Sob. Kita bongkar. Hah? Ada apa? Apa? Oke. Tolong. Sorry. Oke.
Take him down. Take him down. You won. They've surrounded you.
Ayo. Aduh.
Watch out.
Aduh. Ya elah ilallah. Ternyata oke. Kita ngulang. Oh, kita ngulang di sini. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Kita harus hati-hati nih, sob. Oke. Lah elah.
You're close.
Loh. Loh, kan sudah ngindar. Oke.
They're overwhelmed. You won.
Lah. Hindarnya apa sih? Bentar. Heavy strike, fast strike, melee attack, F melee attack, advance space, block left control. Oke. Melee attack. Oke. Kita ngulang lagi. Ayo, semangat. Ini susah juga ya. Karena mainnya pakai keyboard gitu ya. Jadi susah. Yes, ngeles. Oke. Oke, bebe. Open lagi. Open. Ya. Hey.
End it now. It's nearly the end.
Oke.
Die.
Aduh. Makan nih. Mampus.
Find us
Oke. Mampus. Come on, baby. Jangan mepet. Oke. Oke. Nah, mana lagi? Kampret.
The Northmen will not stop her. She will find what she's looking for.
Oke. Buka saja. Oke. Kalahkan dia. Ini apa? Di atas ini. Oke, kita nyari sama. Oke. Mana kita? Mestinya sih di sini nih. Ini tanda-tanda apa? Tanda ini kayaknya sih di sini, cuman gimana caranya ya? Sepertinya sih ini apa? Ini loh, nah ini kayaknya sih ini sob. Tapi gimana caranya kita ke situ? Ini bisa dipegang nggak? Bisa. Oh, itu apa itu? Itu ada pintu sob. Kita coba ke sini. Apakah di sini jalannya sob? Oh iya, lewat sini. Kenapa nggak bisa jalan? Oh, nyantol. Gila puzzle-nya. Susah, Bo. Oke. Yes, baby. Oke. Ternyata puzzle-nya ini sob. Oke sob. Nggak kerasa. Ternyata udah lama juga saya nge-record. Jadi untuk pengalaman saya bermain game ini game keren banget sob. Kalian harus coba. Oke, saya rasa sampai di sini dulu untuk permainan ini. Kita lanjut besok di part kedua. Oke. Happy gaming. Jangan lupa like and subscribe. Oke. See you.